Alright, cruise nerds, so we are staying in stateroom 6626. This is a category 4C. It's a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. It is a connecting stateroom to stateroom 6624. So when you get here, you will see your key to the world cards to the right or left, depending on which way your stateroom is. But this is also where you'll find your key to the world cards if you do not have a Disneyland Plus. So let's go ahead and go right on in. Alright, cruise nerds, so we just came into the stateroom, and when you come in, you're going to see your door here. On the right is going to be the bathrooms, as well as the AC. And then also to your left is going to be the closets. Now, as you can tell, the main difference between the Wish, Treasure, and Destiny is that the Wish is the one with the sliding doors. The Treasure, and I believe also Destiny, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, cruise nerds, in my other vlogs, has the sliding doors of the Wish class fleet. Anyways, so back to the door. So we're going to be in Assembly Station Q, which is going to be on deck 3. And that's going to be in 1923. That's going to be on the Roy side. Anyways, so we're going to be Assembly Station Q. And then, of course, here, cruise nerds, as you can see here, we have our key to the world card, or a key to the world card, right here. That's where you put it. That's where you turn on the lights. And then we have a switch right here, and this also dims the lights too. And then we come to our first bathroom on the right, which is toilet, sink, shampoo, the soap, hand soap, mirror. Hi, cruise nerds. And then shelving right here, which is nice. Trash and everything. Right there. And then we have some holders right there. Then we have two switches, the main switch, and then we also have a night light in here, cruise nerds. So depending on which it is. So that's bathroom number 1. And then bathroom number 2 before going to the closets. I'm going to turn this on real quick, cruise nerds, so quick change. Got some towels, washcloths, makeup wipe, lotion, towels, and these towels here that you see in these vlogs, cruise nerds, you can purchase through guest services, especially with the logo. Hand towel right there, Kleenex, and then we have our shower right here with tub, and then another item right there, cruise nerds. Okay. And there's the shampoo, body wash, and lotion, conditioner. And cruise nerds, there's 2 switches. Turn on and off. That is for the bath. As well as if you step on that, cruise nerds, right down there, you can also turn it into the bath as well. I learned that last cruise. And then that switch right over there, that is for the temperature. If you go forward, it goes hot or cold. If you go forward, it goes hot. So, another pointer. And also, cruise nerds, as you can see, we also have a full length body mirror right here. So, that's that. Now we go to the closets. So here is door number 1. It is a full-on closet. So right here, and then we got some vests right here. Then we got hangers, and if you need more hangers, you can definitely request those through your stateroom host. Okay, cruise nerds? So that's door number 1. Door number 2 right here. This is mostly shelving as well as life vests, which is a nice plus. And then we have a laundry bag. And then we also have slips. These slips will come in handy. If you want to do laundry service, please make sure to fill this out, put it in the bag, and then hang it on the stateroom door outside. But that is normally where you find that, in your closet above the safe. So a safe right here. and more shelving below. And then last but not least, the third door right here. This is also where the ladder is for the upper berth, as well as more shelving space, more hangers, and then this is a full-on closet. Alright, cruise nerds, we're going to go on to the bedroom. Okay, so that is the bathrooms and the closets. So at the end of the closet, once you get down here, cruise nerds, here in the category 4C, we have this shelving, which is a nice part, which is something that I do love here aboard the Wish class fleet. You do have that bonus. Now once we come into the bedroom, we have the TV right here to the left that says welcome aboard. And then right over here we have the main bed. Now this will be sleeping at party size of 4, which I'll go over. So we are in a Frozen themed room. That's the backdrop here. Now we do also have the hook right here for any bags or anything like that. Then we got a drawer right here. And then we have a night light and as well as the light fixture. And then here we do have a European plug with 2 USBs with a drawer. And then we come to the... Now, cruise nerds, they have updated the pricing since I've done my last few videos of a room tour. This is now $345 for the blankets. And then on this side, we do have another lamp and night light. But here, for this plug, we have 2 outlets. And then we also have 2 USBs and a USB-C. And another drawer. So that's the bed. Onto the couch we have right here, which turns into a sleeper sofa. Cruise nerds, there's a new Castaway Club, which I'll go over in the main vlog. And then that is the picture behind the couch. So the couch does go into a bed. And then we do have the upper berth, which turns into a bunk bed as well. And then we have over here, we do have our desk. We have a trash bin, a chair, and then the drawers, 3 drawers right here. Desk drawer, 1 small drawer, and 1 large drawer. Which the drawer, this particular drawer, has the hair dryer. The trick about this, cruise nerds, if you see these plugs on the desk, right here, that's normally where the hair dryer is. And then there's a little cabinet right here, cruise nerds. 2 shelves. And then a cooler. It's not a full-on fridge, cruise nerds. So if you are looking for a fridge, I would definitely talk to your stateroom host or guest services. Now this one, even though it is a category 4C, or a category 4, this one does not sleep 5. How I know this is because right here where the mirror is normally where we have a closet and or bed. A Murphy bed, that is. So in this case, this only sleeps a party of 4 due to the Murphy bed and couch. So we have a nice mirror right here, which I like. It's a definitely plus. And then we have the veranda. We'll go out in just a minute. And we have a nice chair here, which is a very comfortable chair. That's the bonus. That's the trade-off. If you don't have the Murphy bed, you have a chair. And this particular stateroom connects to stateroom 6624. So this is a connecting room. There's an Olaf picture right there. But before I go outside, cruise nerds, I'm just going to go over this real quick here at the desk. So we have a Kleenex box. Then we have our phones right here. Our in-room phones. And when you come into the stateroom, this is normally where the remote is. So right there on the desk, to the left, closest to the TV. And then we have our buttons right here. As you can see, which ones are which. And the last thing here on the desk, cruise nerds, is 2 wall plugs, 4 USB, and 1 USB-C. And then a European plug. This one's mainly for the hair dryer, cruise nerds. Alright, so let's go ahead and go out to the veranda. Ahoy Cruise Nerds. So here is the veranda. Sorry about the lighting a little bit. I can do a little bit better later. But here's the veranda. The curtains are there. So you'll open this, and you can, of course, hear the sound now. And then we also have to make sure that this goes from red to green. You can also see that it is unlocked now. We can now open the veranda door. And we're at the beginning of the bump out. We have 2 chairs and a table. In Cruise Nerds, we can also connect both verandas here. 6624, 6626, and 6628. As you see here. And right now this is our view. But of course we're still docked. We have not left yet. It's a water view. Normally it's water view. But a lot of people like parking lot view. Well, ahoy Cruise Nerds, and thank you for joining me on this tour of Stateroom 6626. This is a Category 4C. It's a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with veranda. It is a size of 4 for a family. It only sleeps 4. It does not have a Murphy bed in here, as you saw in the tour. But it is a nice size room, especially for this, for just the 2 of us. It is a large room, but it is still a nice stateroom, and it's comfortable and everything. But I do hope you enjoyed this tour, and in the meantime, Cruise Nerds, I'll see you around the Disney Wish.